Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you a few easy ways in which you can earn extra money on Cyberpunk 2077. So let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So the first thing that I recommend you do is just visit drop points all over the map and sell your junk items. Don't keep every single item because they are just useless. Just sell out the junk that you collect. On the same note, I recommend that you make sure that you loot every person and every place in every mission so that you find this junk that you can sell later and earn extra money. Another good way in which you can earn money is while you do missions, you will encounter a few computers that you can hack by entering certain codes that the game gives you. Just got to enter it, and that will also earn you some money. So, for example, now I'm going to sell some of my junk. As you can see right here, I sold my junk and earned 42 bucks from basically just cleaning up my inventory. And I just recommend that you keep your inventory clean, and at the same time don't keep every weapon that you find. Some weapons you will not be able to use because you don't have a good enough level, and you can also have duplicates that are worse than the ones that you already have equipped. Not every weapon is as good. As you can see right here, they have certain DPS points. Just sell the ones that are not as good and keep the best ones. They won't degrade, you won't lose anything. Just sell the ones that are worse, that you're sure that you are not going to use. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Just the best way that you can make money is just playing through the game and looting the people, just collecting money along the way, keeping your inventory clean. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.